Good day everyone. Learn how to fix brightness not working on Windows 11. You have watched many tutorials and still it's not fixed. This tutorial is for you because we will cover almost all troubleshooting steps in a very quick time and in a very easy manner. So the very first thing here is to do the right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. And first thing first, we will look for the monitors. So if you have two monitors or three monitors connected, just do a right click on that, disable it, and then we need to enable that. So I'll say disable and then enable it. Okay, once you are done, press Window and A as an alpha. Window A to open the Windows Action Center and see the slider, the brightness slider is working fine or not. If not, then we will move to the next step, and that is the display driver. Now here you might be using AMD, Nvidia, or more than one graphics driver. Try to update the driver, and if that doesn't work, then enable and disable it. So do a right click, click on disable device, and once you have disabled it, do a right click and click on enable. Now once you are done, press Window and A and see if that works for you. The brightness slider should work. And if that doesn't, then we will move to the next step, and the next step is to edit the power plan. So click on power, search power, and you will find choose a power plan. Now if you see any high performance plan, select it and your brightness should work. If that doesn't, create a new power plan. It is very easy. Give a plan name, click on next. Select according to the display, according to your convenience, and use it. And then press Window and A. See if that works for you. All right. And if that doesn't, then we will move to the next step. And the next step is to repair the computer, because there could be a corruption in the computer. There could be some damaged file in the Windows. And to fix that, we need to search CMD. In the search icon, run as administrator, say yes, and type sfc space / scan now. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. It is a very easy and very effective command. You just need to hit enter and this will begin the system scan. Once it is done, restart the computer and then check the brightness slider is working fine or not. For most of us, this will fix the problem. And if this tutorial has fixed your problem, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do leave a comment, because your comments really motivates me. And if you still have issues, do let me know as well. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.